What are you doing? What are you doing this morning? You find some coconut water. Oh, look at that. You're so tricky. We getting to see your beautiful blue wings, huh? You're supposed to have a red tail, but you keep chewing on it, Beenie. And look at the red on his belly. Yeah. What you doing? Are you dunking yourself? He's bobbing for apples. Bobbing for apples. There's no apples in there, buddy. Beenie, quit chewing on your tail. It looks bad. It's growing. What are you talking about? I was chewed up shorter than that. Yeah. There's them blue feathers peeking out. Whoa, you almost fell, huh? Does Dad need to push that thing up a little bit? I think you put it too low, Ollie. But this is entertainment. Let's see them blue wings. Let's see them blue wings. Oh, you flapping today, huh? He's a flappy bird. He can fly even without that tail. So he loves his coconut water. This is not an endorsement, but Mojo coconut water is the best. Oh, I love it. So sweet. Put some coconut rum in it if you have it. Ooh. All your troubles will go away.